Yeah, I came on the scene and I did it alone. I work every weekend, I've been in the zone. Got so many bars, I don't need a phone. They call it a game and I'm looking for thrones. Going through every comment, I'm wondering why everybody been talking and telling me how I'm supposed to be rocking, but really they wish they been doing this all on their own. Negative talk don't faze me, I got real fans who gon' play me. Skill don't work when you're lazy, and I see dreams wasted daily. And I'm going to get it right now, cause nobody been handing it out. Everyone know that I'm playing for keeps. The quicker you get it, the quicker you leave. And I've been working like 10 days a week, never got time to be spending asleep. I've been dreaming up with my eyes open, that 3-1 lead, but I'm not choking. They all cap like caps lock. This the anthem, take your hats off. Not concerned about trash talk, I'm counting down to that blast off. Like whoa, I'm ready to go. Don't give advice, you ain't done it before. You think you been ballin', but look at the score. We rockin' that camo, we going to war. Yeah, I'm Tom Brady with a comeback. You falling off like a hubcap. These other rappers on Thursdays, so we talk about you as a throwback. I know who really killing it now. I'm making my family proud. Don't matter what everyone's saying, as long as I'm what they all talking about. Yeah, hit a milli, now they be sitting down. I be moving up, I'm the reason why they be giving up, cause they can't relate. I've been on my way to a better life, had to sacrifice sleeping every night, working overtime, had to pay the price, following my dream. Now I'm on the rise, they be watching me. What a time, what a time. Last year I was on mine, this year I'ma keep it going. New album, you know it's coming. I've been down with the same ones, new year I'm the same one. Don't play with me, I don't play nice, and I'm building up. This ain't overnight like whoa.
Inside of a room, I feel like everything has been falling apart. I put my heart and my soul in this shit, but I don't think that anyone notices it. I never sleep, I just don't have the time. I can't relax it, I gotta go get it. My mind has been playing an integral part in the monster that I overcome. But where you from? Not where they call for belong, not where they carry your gun. I'm from a place where these niggas procrastinate, making excuse why this shit never happened. Uno not me, I will not be distracted inside of a prison that I have created from lack of endeavor. Will not be your captive, I can't submit if I'm admit that I have the time. Better than me, I am currently got the sequels, but it's committed. I'm giving you everything that I got. It's a shot that I take if I make it. Work, I don't have a plan B, and I fucked if it don't, man. I need to proceed and believe or concede, but I'll never concede, and I work at a speed ain't no one's ever